Do you ever get the feeling that your phone is listening to you? You talk about a pair of shoes, and 5 minutes later, you see an ad for them. Well, it's not paranoia, it's settings. By default, your Android phone is set up to track your location, your app usage, and even your digital behavior, all to package it up and hand it over to advertisers. Today, we are going to dive into the deep settings of your phone and shut that down for good. Let's take back your privacy. First, we need to get into the control center. Unlock your phone and open your Settings app. Scroll down until you see the Google tab. Tap on that. Now, look for the section called Privacy and Security. This is where most of the tracking features are hiding. The first setting we need to kill is called Personalize using shared data. Go ahead and tap that. What this does is allow Google to take data from your device, like your contacts, your Maps history, and your app interactions, and share it across other Google products and third parties. Do you really want your private contacts shared with advertisers? I didn't think so. Go down that list and toggle off every single app listed there. Now, hit the back arrow and let's tackle the biggest offender, ads. Tap on the Ads tab. This is your digital fingerprint that companies use to target you. We are going to wipe it clean. First, tap Reset Advertising ID and confirm it. This scrambles your current history. But we can go further. Tap Delete Advertising ID. This stops apps from building a profile on you in the first place. Finally, tap Add Privacy at the top, then go to Add Measurement and toggle it off. This stops advertisers from measuring how well their ads work on you. Back out to the main Google menu one more time. Scroll to the very bottom and look for Usage and Diagnostics. Tap that. This setting sends a constant stream of data about your battery level, app usage, and system activity back to Google. They claim it helps improve the software, but really, it just gives them more data points on your daily habits. There is zero benefit to you keeping this on. Toggle it off immediately. And just like that, you've cut the cord on some of the most invasive tracking features on your Android phone. If you value your privacy and want to keep big tech out of your personal life, please hit that subscribe button below. It helps me keep making these guides for you. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.